Hello, my most amazing artists. It's so good to see you again. I'm here with Declan
Hi.
and Aubrey, and we went ahead and did a project. They worked completely by themselves, and then we looked at the different tic-tac-toe boards that I showed you the other week on the website and found that we could tick off 2 boxes in each of the grade levels.
Me and
with this
Declan
thing
made
that we did.
these.
Okay, so here's what we did. The kids, my husband just got an ice cream maker for his birthday. So we are like really into ice cream right now. So we thought, oh, let's draw some ice cream. And I pulled up a video on how to draw an ice cream cone that had different sections. So they followed along with that first. Then I pulled up a sheet of all different kinds of patterns. And I've linked that down below this video. And Aubrey decided she's going to fill in each of the little swirls on her ice cream with a different pattern. And then she did diagonal lines on her cone, which is a pattern. And she colored that in and cut it out all by herself. High five, girl. Yes. Then Declan made his ice cream cone. He decided he was going to give it a little silly face. And I thought, oh, well, why don't we make little sections in the background? And then he used the pattern page to fill different patterns into the open areas. And then they chose whatever colors. And what kinds of colors did you choose?
I choose rainbow color.
Yes. See, they like rainbows just like me. So here's what I'm going to show you. So I printed out the grade 5 tic-tac-toe board. And this project covers I can make a variety of lines. Did you both make lots of different lines?
Yeah. Mom.
Go ahead.
Mom.
So she did rainbow also on her cone. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, reverse order. Very good. Okay, so the other one, so I can make a variety of lines and I can use pattern and repetition in a work of art. So if you were at home and you decided like us to do that, you check your grade level tic-tac-toe board on the Art at Home website. And since Declan is in first grade, he would go right here and he would say, okay, I did that. I can make a variety of lines. And then he could also check off this one. I'm making a backwards check mark, oops, for the same project. And you could even make a note on this if you do print it out. Of course, you see I don't have a color printer at home. And we ran out of paper a while back. So you might not even be able to print it, and that's okay. You can just kind of look at it and keep a note in your mind or on a notebook paper.
And now it's time for the jokes.
What? Can I show 2 more things?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you were in second grade, that's this beautiful pattern drawing that he came up with himself and she came up with herself because of the ice cream that we're really into right now. I can make lines in different directions. Grade 2, I can use a variety of patterns. That's what you would check off if you were in grade 2. If you were in grade 3, I can outline and use lines for details. Did you outline things, Declan? Did you outline your ice cream cone guy with marker?
Yes.
Yes. And did you use a variety of different kinds of lines?
Yes.
Okay. And you could also say I can identify emphasis in a work of art because the ice cream cone is what is the emphasis. So just another example of how you can use those tic-tac-toe boards at home as we review everything we've learned. And now Declan has some jokes.
Why doesn't Peter Pan ever stop flying?
Why doesn't Peter Pan ever stop flying?
He never lands.
He never lands. Get it? Neverland? Okay.
Which day do fish hate?
Aubrey, what do you think?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Friday.
Friday. Why? Why
because
do
they fry fish,
Oh,
so they can eat them.
I get it.
And fish don't like to be eaten.
Maybe we should not say that Peter Pan joke because then I make
people don't know.
Oh, okay, thank you. Go ahead.
How can you see a leopard at night?
A leopard at night? How could you see a leopard at night?
I don't know. Use a spotlight.
Why is that funny?
Because leopards have spots on
They
their
have
skin.
spots.
And a spotlight is like a light with spots, so it's got spots.
Yeah, okay. Well, thank you so much for joining us today. Have fun making art. Keep sending it to me on Seesaw. And down below this video, I will link the video we used for the ice cream cone and the different patterns that we used for what we did today.
Bye.
Bye.